Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is standard template library or STL in C++. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new in my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is Standard Template Library or STL? The Standard Template Library or STL is a software library originally designed by Alexander Stepanov for the C++ programming language that influenced many parts of the C++ standard library. It provides four components called algorithms, containers, functions, and iterators. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is Standard Template Library or STL is all about. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jig saying bye bye for now.